Why keep the engine clean when it is out of sight under the hood? The accumulation of dust, oil, grease, windshield washer fluid, leaves, and all sorts of other contaminants make it very unpleasant to work on the engine, even if it's just to add liquids or check the oil. Having a clean engine is a clear sign of pride of ownership. Most mechanics are extra careful when dealing with a vehicle that is maintained properly. It also makes it much easier to notice a leak if the engine bay is clean. If you are planning to sell your vehicle, cleaning the engine is one of the best investments you can make. A new buyer will always be impressed by a clean engine. This simple service makes it clear to the buyer that the vehicle was well cared for. Contact us today to book your detail service and get your vehicle in the best condition it can be.